This is Twins on A. Today I'll show you how to make a tumbling bird, and it's pretty simple and easy origami. So we should get like the diamond shape always, and we should use the right side up, and we should fold in like a triangle, and we need to crease it. And now we're going to get both of the edge, make sure there's not one like sticking out like this, and we'll just fold it down how much you want. And then just crease it like that. And now I'm going to like upwards and face it down. And just like that. And now you have to crease it. And we'll just like fold it downwards. And do the same from your side. And just crease. And that's your finished tumbling bird. And thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like the video. Bye!